Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel and the shop. Got something for you right now. Wasn't gonna do anything with it as far as a video, but thought, it'll only take a second. I might as well show you. So I'm installing the rear wiring harness on my truck, and there's a big Cannon plug where the front and rear harness connect together. So let's show you that right there. Now, a lot of guys, they'll just take their hand and they'll run this nut up until it's snug and maybe tap the back a few times to get it to seat, snug it up some more, and then maybe take like a screwdriver and a hammer and try to get up in there on a corner and tap it to tighten it up, or a pair of channel locks or something. Usually damages the connector. It takes the cadmium coating off and then it rusts. So what is the proper way to tighten that? Well, the proper way to tighten that is with the Cannon plug spanner. And if you've never seen one, it looks like this. Funny looking little contraption, but worth its weight in gold, and opens up just like that. Got one little claw there, you see, and it just grips one of the teeth on the nut and allows you to tighten it. So let me, if I can situate myself here, show you how it works. You put it on just like so, then you can, it's so hard to do this with a camera, looking at the camera and the thing. Go, and you hear it click onto the next tooth, and you just pull it down, and we'll push it up to the next tooth, pull it down, and that's tight. Now, I'd already been working on this with this for a few turns before I thought about making this video. So look, the tool made by Snap-on, it's a Blue Point. Part number on it is AHS300 Bravo, made in the USA, of course, Snap-on. I will try to see if these are even still available anymore. I don't know if they are. I don't know if they make these anymore. If they are, I will put a link in the description down below on the video so you can click it and buy one of these for yourself. These are also great for the headlight switches. The 3-lever light switch, sometimes that connector on the back will be so tight you just can't get it off for the life of you. These are great for that, because you just put it up in behind there, hook it on one of the teeth, and then you can break it loose real easy. So yeah, these, if you don't have one of these and you've got a military vehicle of any kind, you need to get one. It is an absolute lifesaver. I don't know how I ever did without this, but well, easy, I didn't. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Like the video if you found it useful. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell button so you get updated when all of my videos are posted, which is pretty much every day. Sometimes I post 2 videos in a day, so keep an eye out. Don't forget to check out our sponsors. They are also listed in the description below, and look for the link on that. I'll see if I can find one. I can't make any promises, but if it's in the description, I was able to find it. So until next time, like I said before, hang loose.